Today we're going to learn about tornadoes. You'll be learning about how tornadoes are formed, where tornadoes are formed, and you'll be making a tornado in a bottle as a fun, out-of-school activity. Pause the video and click here to watch a video on how tornadoes are formed. Then come back and finish this video. To review what you just watched, here are the 4 steps that make a tornado. No, we actually don't get tornadoes in Montana, not that frequently anyway. Tornadoes mostly occur in an area of the country called Tornado Alley. Tornado Alley is an area of the country where lots of different weather patterns meet, and sometimes they don't get along, creating vortexes. This map shows Tornado Alley. Now it's time to make your own tornado. All you'll need is 2 2-liter water bottles, preferably clear so you can see, water, and some tape. Pause the video and click here for directions. Don't have the supplies? Click here to watch a video instead. Thanks for listening. We'll talk more about tornadoes in class. And next week, we'll start learning about hurricanes. Bye!
Created using Powtoon.